Hi, this is Chef Brad with the WonderMix Company, and now we're going to make waffles and pancakes, America's favorite breakfast food. But you know what? I think it has to be the most unhealthy breakfast food the way America eats it. I mean, really, an Eggo waffle that is just white flour and garbage. We're going to show you how to make a waffle that your family will absolutely love, and guess what? You're not even going to know that it's whole grain. 100% whole grain, wheat-free waffles. And if you're gluten-free, don't worry about it. We have you covered. We do gluten-free perfectly, and information will be provided on how you can do it, and it's easy. As easy as the one we're doing today. We're using our WonderFlour mix today, which is spelt, barley, and brown rice. It's wheat-free, but it isn't gluten-free. And we're gonna whip up, in just a moment, a batch of waffles. So we're doing buttermilk waffles. So we're gonna take and put a couple cups of buttermilk. And we're using the whip attachment in our WonderMix, couple cups of buttermilk, and we're going to use 4 eggs in there, 5 eggs actually. I like a lot of eggs. I've noticed eggs in pancakes and waffles give you a lighter, fluffier end product. Then we're going to put a little bit of oil in, and don't worry, we'll have the exact recipe for you. And for my sweetener, I love agave. It's great. It's the healthier choice for a sweetener. And I always put in just a nice splash of vanilla, because vanilla, when it heats up in the waffle iron, the whole kitchen smells great. And then we're using Rumford baking powder. I'm going to put a heaping tablespoon of Rumford's in there, because I want my waffles to be nice and light. And here's our flour, freshly ground, beautiful WonderFlour. And we're going to put about 2.5 cups of that in there. Okay, that's all there is to it. We're going to turn this on. I'm just going to share a little trick with you about using other grains. You can take whatever waffle recipe you have and change the grain. The trick is, you know what the batter should look like. Take a look at the batter. If it doesn't look like it's quite thick enough, is all you have to do is add a little more flour and mix it up a little bit more, and it will be perfectly fine. Our waffle batter is mixed up. There you go. Our waffle iron is nice and hot. And we're using one of those flip waffle irons, which I prefer for whole grains, because when you flip it over, when you pour the batter down onto the waffle iron, it sticks. Then when you close the lid and flip it over, what's not sticking falls down to the other part, so it gives you a light, crisp, wonderful waffle. And in just about a minute or two, you're going to see the most beautiful waffle, whole grain waffle you've ever seen.